We have got a lot of work we've got to get done on the farm the next couple of days, but this particular morning, I just wanted to start everybody off with a good breakfast. So I'm doing a breakfast hash, and it's all going to be done in one skillet. Easy peasy. I started out by browning up some breakfast sausage, I didn't drain it. Then I opened up a jar of my home canned, dry packed sweet potatoes, and I just let those flavors marinate in there together. Let that grease season the sweet potatoes, and then I turn the heat off, and then I am going to drop some eggs on top very carefully. And as soon as I get these eggs placed on there, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven and let them bake until the eggs are set. I just like making good, nutritious breakfast for us in the morning times when we know that we're going to be outside a little bit and getting work done. So that way we're full of protein and we've got energy. And everybody has something to do over the next couple of days. And we got a few farm kids wanting to help out. We're waiting on our son to get here, and we're all going to eat breakfast. But this breakfast came together so easy, and it just only messed up one dish. Here it is in the oven as it's baking. And here it is when it's out of the oven. I was so proud of this, y'all. Now, let's eat breakfast and get busy. All the snow and ice is melting, but there's a lot of work to be done on the farm because dear hubby got a phone call from work, and now it's time for us to go on a work trip. But we got a couple of little farm girls that want to dig in their toes and help. This is not our first rodeo raising farm kids. Our youngest helped me raise goats, and now our oldest son raises cows with dear hubby, and we are having the time of our life. Rotating pastures today, rotating the cows around. This is what they've been waiting on, is to have more paddocks so we can do this. They've got a nice setup out here. Granddaughters are just dying to help. They're learning the farm ways, the cattle ways. I've got one that loves working in the garden with me. And then one that loves working with the cows, with the guys. But now sometimes they swap. Sorry, I'm trying to keep my eye on one granddaughter, keep her out of the way. So we got to move the cows. But anyway, granddaughters, they're learning how things are going around here. They're learning how things work. I got one that says, when y'all die, I'm taking over the farm. Okay. She didn't mean that in an ugly way. She was just being honest. She's going to take over one day. You pass things down to the next generation. Oh, there they go. Coming out now. That's the bull. Yes, you better stay. All right, take him to where he needs to go. You also have to teach them to stay back. Stay back. You never know what that bull's going to do, so he's going to his new paddock. There we go. Going to his new paddock down by the barn. Get him adjusted to his new paddock. Yeah, he don't exactly know where to go, but they're going to show him. There he goes. Now they're going to get him. He's got a hay ring already down there. They're fixing to show him where everything's at. Water, hay ring. They're going to get him some food. One's going to take the bucket to Daddy. Farm dog just does her work around here. She's not our dog. She's our son's dog, but she comes and she works. There we go. Okay, he's all moved. He's getting acquainted. He's bellowing because right now he can't see the other cows, but when they come back down to this other paddock on his right, he'll be able to see them. He's just kind of freaking out right now because he can't see anybody, but he'll be able to in just a little bit. He's been walking the fence line, getting used to his new territory. I know, Mr. Bull. And he can smell that the fence is hot. So he knows. He can smell it and he can sense it. And he knows that sound because of the popping. It's hot. So he knows he can't touch it and he can't go over it. Oh, bless him. They're going to come down in just a second. You'll be able to see them. Yeah, now he's getting used to his new territory. It'll take a couple of days. Yeah, anytime you move cattle, unless they haven't been in that paddock before, and he hasn't been in that paddock before. He's been in another pasture when we bought him and put him on the farm. He's been in another pasture. So now he's got to get used to this end of the property. It's okay, buddy. Oh, yeah, you just gotta, when you move them, you just gotta let them get used to an area. But he can sense that fence is hot and he can smell it and he hears the noise. So he knows. And we're fixing to bring the dog down here with them because they've kind of made pretty good friends. Yeah, and I think they've got some more they're going to move. I'm just trying to work a little out here in my garden while it's a little warmer today. And I got my farm kitty here with me. Where'd she go? Where are you in the camera? There she is. That's Annie. She hears something. There's Annie. Oh, okay. Very good, Annie. Just scratch for them. There you go. Yeah, it'll take them a while to get used to it. Moving mama cows. They will be calving next month, and we want them right here in the yard so we can keep an eye on them. They've been in a different pasture getting better nutrients. It's time to move them over here so we can keep an eye on them. Ooh. They're wanting out of there. I'm so glad to have Jen over here. Jen she was the first calf born. And it was named after his mama, because she always wanted cows to be born on her farm. So it was only fitting that the very first calf ever born on her property was named Jen. Hi, Caroline! I'm taking care of the other granddaughter in here. She's sick. I had to pick her up from school today. Jen is the white-faced one. Uh-oh, the bull ain't too happy back here. There they go. Oh, they gotta establish who's gonna be the boss here. Yeah, that always happens. Herd queen. Gotta establish who's who. There we go. Don't that just look so pretty? It does to me anyway. Be nice over there. I said that about 2 seconds ago, and that one right there running said, no! Yeah, just like that. I said, be nice. Yeah, I'm watching you, little one. Be nice. Yeah, I'm talking to y'all. Got my eyes on y'all. Creative farm girls. There you go. Creative farm girls. Going. Do it like he was doing it. Grab a couple of farm kids to help pull up T-posts. Hey, you're almost getting it out. Oh, I wouldn't do it with your toes. It'll hurt. No, it doesn't. Go back and forth and then sideways. We're getting there. Is it working? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, there is an easier way to do that, but this is more fun.